Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you're all having a great start to your week. I am popping on. It's almost noon. I'm actually on time today, sort of. I'm almost on time for the noon meditation. But Dougie went to sleep, so I wanted to pop in a little bit early and just leave this meditation in your feed for you that you can do anytime. You can do it with me live right now, or you can do this meditation anytime that feels right for you. Today, we're going to try a color connection meditation, and I hope that you enjoy this. I think that this is a really interesting way to let your mind and your body speak to you. So, really, with the goal with meditation is there's no agenda, no expectation. If you show up and you close your eyes and you just breathe for a few minutes, you have won. You have advocated for your mental health, and your day will be that much better because you decided to choose you for a few minutes and let yourself get a little bit more grounded than maybe you started before you close your eyes. So, with that quick message, I'm going to go ahead and get started, and hopefully, you will see this and decide that you'd like to meditate with me as well. And as always, these are not time sensitive. These don't have to be done at a certain time in the day, usually. So, anytime you're in the mood, if you don't have time to do the meditation right now with me, just, bookmark it or go to my Facebook page. You can always go back to it and try it again later. And if you know somebody that you think could benefit from a little bit of daily meditation or just an occasional meditation, I hope that you will consider tagging them in my post or sharing it with them privately or whatever works for them. The goal is really just to let anybody who can benefit from these meditations receive the benefit. So, with that in mind, let's go ahead and get started. All you really need to do is find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. And the only rule I have is that if you can just make sure you have nice straight alignment. So you want to have good posture, whether you're lying down or seated. The idea is that if there was a string pulling from your core up to the top of your head, you would have a nice straight string pulling right up to the top, because what that does is it opens you up to be able to breathe and to let that breath really penetrate all of the nooks and crannies of your body and help you relax. So with that having been said, go ahead and hopefully you've found a nice comfortable position. Let's let your eyes drift closed. And as your eyes drift closed, just noticing how immediately your body starts to respond. It knows that you're going inward now. Maybe you've had a busy day, maybe there's a lot of chatter around you, and that is okay. Just allow it and focus on my voice. And the more you're able to just focus on my voice, the easier it will be for all of that noise in the background, in your mind and outside, to just start to fade away. Imagine the chatter as puffs of clouds that surround you. And as your eyes close and you take nice even breaths, those clouds start to push farther and farther away until you can't even notice your distractions. And just breathe in and out through your nose now. How does that breath feel? Is it deep or shallow? You don't have to change it, just noticing it. And perhaps as you notice your breath, it starts to calm down just a little bit. It starts to deepen and settle in your body. With each beautiful inhale through your nose, bringing in fresh air, energizing your body. With each exhale, releasing old, stuck, stagnant air out of your body. And your body starts to soften. How does it feel? As your body softens and opens, just letting it all go, just breathing, just being. with your eyes closed. And as you sit with your breath, in front of you a beautiful rainbow appears. It's warm and glowing, and all of the colors of the rainbow glisten and glitter in front of you. You see red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, just glowing in front of you, and you feel safe and you feel comfortable. Just breathing and observing this beautiful rainbow. Then slowly, all of the colors of the rainbow disappear except for one. And that color shines down on you. What color remains? Is it red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, or violet? Whatever the first color that comes to your mind is the correct color for you. Don't judge it, don't worry about it. Just stay with that color and feel as the beautiful glow shines down on you and your body radiates in that color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a little bit of insight as to what that color represents. Because right now, that is the color that calls to you, to your mind, to your body, and your spirit. Perhaps you need a little bit of extra TLC, and this ray of the rainbow is here to give it to you. So if you see the red ray of the rainbow, that's about getting grounded in your basic needs and trust. So go ahead and let that red color shine on you as you start to feel more grounded and connected. And if the color is orange, that is a ray that is helping you to create, to connect with your creativity. You're feeling open and creative. Or perhaps you'd like to feel a little less stuck and more creative. So just let that beautiful golden orange ray of light shine down on you. If you're having a yellow beam shine down on you, that is connecting you with your internal power and your wisdom. Allow yourself to connect with it and to feel the glow. If you are sitting underneath the green color, green represents love and healing. Perhaps you have a lot of love to give, or perhaps you could use a little extra self-love today. Just bask in that beautiful green. If you're feeling the ray of blue, that's connecting you with your communication tools. So if you're feeling unable to communicate, let that blue really shine down on you and open up your ability to communicate. If you're connecting to the indigo color, that's connecting you with awareness internally and externally. What do you become aware of, or what do you need to become aware of as you connect? And finally, the beautiful color of indigo, which connects you to your own personal spirituality. Perhaps you are feeling very spiritual lately, or perhaps you haven't been. Just allow whichever color comes through for you to just reign over you, to just let it connect with you. And you'll find what you need internally through this color. I'm going to give you just a couple of minutes to sit and notice how your body feels as you bathe in the color of the rainbow. And just notice where you're feeling this color in your body. If you're tightening or clenching anywhere, if you're not relaxing, go ahead and release. If it's your jaw or your stomach that you feel like you're tightening, just release it. As your battery recharges, your breath deepens just a little bit now. Perhaps inhaling and exhaling through your mouth. And allowing your mind and your body to connect now once more with the physical world. Perhaps letting your shoulders roll, your fingers and your toes dance. And when you are ready, you can go ahead and open your eyes. I hope that felt good for you today. I felt a lot of yellow coming through for me today, which is interesting. I'd love to know what you felt or what you saw, or if you didn't feel anything, that's fine too. These are all just ways to help ourselves relax and unwind. Just take a few minutes to go inward, which is so important. Well, I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday, and I will try to be back very soon. And I have no other updates for you, so have a great day, and please consider tagging someone who could use a meditation or sharing these meditations either through Facebook or on my website at jessicakinney.com. If you go to Happy Hacks, I list the meditations. So have a wonderful day, everybody. I will see you soon. Bye.